Dear students, today we will discuss the eukaryotic cell. In the previous video we have discussed prokaryotic cell, the bacterial cell. Today we will discuss the eukaryotic cell. The plant cell and animal cells. In eukaryotic cells, which are included plants, animals, fungi and protista. Here we can discuss plant cell and animal cell. The eukaryotic cell, this is general structure of a eukaryotic cell. This is one type cells. I draw the structure inside the cell. The first is the hexagonal cells, they are rounded cells. So plant cell is a hexagonal type cells and the animal cell is somewhat oval in cell. Okay. In plant cells, two layers. One is plasma layer. The plasma layer, plasma membrane or cell membrane present in both plant cell and animal cell. Both are eukaryotic cell. Plasma membrane is present in both plant cell and animal cell. This is plasma membrane. Plasma membrane. This is plasma membrane. This is in plant cell, in additional layers are present outer to the plasma membrane or cell membrane, that is called cell wall, which is absent in animal cell. And this is the connectivity cell to cell. In some places this is a gap. This is called plasmodesmata, which is interconnected between two adjacent cells. पाखापाखि सेल गुड़िको इनर कंटेंट ट्रांसपोर्टेशन हवा पई जो बाटो दे की ट्रांसपोर्टेशन है सेल टू सेल ट्रांसपोर्टेशन, that is called plasmodesmata. That is called plasmodesmata. Both plant cell and animals are eukaryotic cells. Eukaryotic cell has an organized nucleus or true nucleus. Prokaryotic is a primitive nucleus, not organized nucleus. But in a eukaryotic cell, nucleus is bounded by nuclear membrane and genetic materials are present inside the nucleus, bounded by plasma membrane. So in both plant cell or animals as of eukaryotic cells, nucleus is present or true nucleus is present. In plant cell, true nucleus is present just to the, not in center, just side to the periphery or just side to the center, that is called nucleus and nuclear genetic material. This is gel-like structure, that is called nucleoplasma. Nucleoplasma. In animal cell, nucleus is present at center. This is due to why nucleus is not present in center and pushed to this periphery, and why nucleus is present in center in animal cell. Due to large vacuoles is present, large vacuole is present in plant cell, but small vacuoles is present or not, thaipare kimba not thaipare. Then the small vacuoles are present in animal cell, but large vacuoles are present in plant cells, so it pushed the nucleus to the one side. That is your cell organelle vacuole. And the inner space bounded by the plasma membrane is called gel-like fluid, that is called cytoplasma. cytoplasma. Here also gel-like substance that is called cytoplasma. Cytoplasma, the portion bounded by the membrane, both in plant cell and animal cell, that is called also protoplast. That is called protoplast with the living structures. Protoplast contains that is contains cytoplasm and cell organelles. Cytoplasma, this is cytoplasma. Within the cytoplasma, different membrane bounded cell organelles are present. Membrane bounded cell organelles are present in eukaryotic cell, absent in prokaryotic cell. So as you study the eukaryotic cell, both plant cell and animal cells, so different types of membrane bounded cell organelles are present inside the cytoplasma. So the membrane, the portion bounded by the membrane, that we living portion, that is called protoplast, and protoplast contains the cytoplasma and cell organelles. Different cell organelles are present. So this is nucleus. Inside the nucleus, the fluid material is called nucleoplasma. Here also genetic materials, chromatin fibers, and this is fluid-like structure, that is also called nucleoplasma. This is chromatin fiber. Here is also chromatin fiber. Okay, so this is nuclear membrane. This is nuclear membrane. This is nuclear membrane. 8% जो गैप जब छड़ाई आपको हम कहते हैं nuclear pore. Here also this is nuclear pore. कारण न्यूक्लियस ଭିତର materials ए बाट देकी बाहर को साइटोप्लाज्मा को आसीता है. So this is nuclear membrane. Here is also this is nuclear membrane. I am telling you both simultaneously plant cell and animal cells. Okay, students. Then here large vacuole is present, but in animal cells, if present, generally absent. If present, small vacuoles are present. Nucleus is present side to the periphery, but nucleus is present in animal cell is in center. Then another point, what types of the cellule is made up of cellulose. Here this is called plasma membrane. This is called plasma membrane or cell membrane. This is called cytoplasma. Okay. Then another cell organelles, membrane bounded cell organelles and endomembrane. Endomembrane is important point. Remember it. Endomembrane means some cell organelles are called as endomembrane cell organelles. Endomembrane means some cell organelles are present in cytoplasma containing the compartment and that gives the cell to different compartmental sizes. That is called endomembrane system. One is endoplasmic reticulum. This is endoplasmic reticulums here. In some endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes are present. Ribosomes are present. So it is called rough endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum. In some endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes are not present. That is called smooth endoplasmic reticulum. And these are present near to the nuclear membrane. Near to the nuclear membrane. Here also endoplasmic reticulum is present. Rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. This is rough endoplasmic reticulum. If ribosomes are present, that is called rough endoplasmic reticulum. This is smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Another endomembrane cell organelles called Golgi body. Called Golgi body. This is like structure. Here, this is Golgi body complex. But in plant cell, remember it, very important. In plant cell, this is called dictyosome. Dictyosome. Here also, in Golgi body, the convex part faces towards the nucleus. Convex part faces towards the nucleus. Okay, this is called Golgi body. This is called Golgi body. Another cell organelle, mitochondria. Mitochondria, which helps in cell respiration. This is present in both plant cell and animal cell. Plant cell and animal cells, both present. In another cell organelle, some plastids. Plastids. This is present only in plant cell but absent in animal cell. So plastids means लब्धक जो क्लोरोफिल पिगमेंट फोटोसिंथेसिस साहाय्य करूची जेहेतु एनिमल फोटोसिंथेसिस करि परने तार क्लोरोप्लास्ट नाही but present in plant cell but absent in animal cell. So another cell organelle, lysosomes. Some less number of lysosomes are present, but in animal cells large and more number of lysosome present. Lysosome. Less number present in animal cell, more number lysosome. Another cell organelle, Golgi mitochondria, ribosome. Ribosome also present in both plant cell and animal cells. Plant cell, ribosome. Co type na 80s. In prokaryotic 70s. किंतु जितोले हमें राइबोसोम कथा कहबार यूकैरियोट that is 80s. Ribosome. Another cell organelles, centrosome. Centrosome consists of two centrioles present this type, one vertical and one parallel, two centrioles covered by centriole fibers present near to the nucleus. That is called centrosome. That is called centrosome. This is present, very important difference also there. Centrosome is present in animals eukaryotic cell, but here absent. Centrosome absent in plant cell. Cell wall is present in plant cell, but absent in animal cell. तुमको पता दबा the outer membrane of the animal cell कौन ना plasma membrane. The outer membrane of the plant cell कौन ना cell wall. Okay. Then the plasma membrane. This is plasma membrane. लिखी थी ना plasma consists of protein and lipid. Lipoprotein, हम कहते lipoprotein लेते हैं. Next, cell organelles are nucleolus. Inside the nucleus, nucleolus present. Here also nucleolus present. In cell, the skeletal form makes आमर जदि बॉडी टा हार्ट द्वारा बोन द्वारा गोटे फार्म तैयार करछि हम जदि मूर्ति तैयार करे पालर रह जाय ताको स्केलेटन कहा जाय यार फार्म जो सेल रो फार्म तो किडनी जा कोनती साइटोस्केलेटन कोन कोनती cytoskeletons are present in eukaryotic cells, that is microtubules and microfilaments. Okay, so the vacuole is present, large vacuole is present in plants eukaryotic cell, but small vacuoles are present in eukaryotic animal cells. Next, another point, in eukaryotic cells, some secretory cells, in animal cells, the storage cells, animal cell रो storage होची कोरुपरे ना glycogen. Plant cell रो storage material is starch. Very important. Animal cell रो storage material होची glycogen. Plant cell रो storage material होची starch. So some pinocytic matter और अलग बहुत गुड़िए granules था. Pinocytes, water drinking, and some cilia is present. Some cilia is also present. So these the plasmodesmata, this is called plasmodesmata. In this way, the interconnection between two adjacent cells very important. What is plasmodesmata? This is the interconnection between two adjacent cells is called plasmodesmata, through which the materials of one cell passes to another cell or everything. So this is all about the eukaryotic cell. हमें eukaryotic cell हमें तुमको डिफरेंस कहि दे, लेकिन हमें स्टडी करिवा कोन ना विभिन्न स्ट्रक्चर. एक हमें प्रथमे स्टडी करिवा प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन, तार स्ट्रक्चर कोन, तार फंक्शन कोन, देन सेल रो स्ट्रक्चर फंक्शन करिवा, साइटोप्लाज्मा करिवा, साइटोप्लाज्मा थिबा विभिन्न सेल ऑर्गेनेल्स, मेम्ब्रेन, एंडोमेम्ब्रेन सेल ऑर्गेनेल्स, अदर सेल ऑर्गन्स will discuss. Cell organelle, mitochondria, lysosome, plastid, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi bodies, all are discussed in later on. Then the cytoskeleton मध्ये discussion करिवा microtubules and microfilament ऊपर. Then we will discuss the nuclear structure, nucleus, nuclear membrane, and the chromosome, the present inside the nucleus chromosome ऊपर मध्ये हमें discuss करिवा. ताहाले हमर टोटली जो cell structure unit of life रो कोर्स complete होबो. In next video we will discuss the plasma membrane. First plasma membrane पढ़िबा, तापर सेल वॉल पढ़िबा, तार साइड तार गोटिए हम सेल ऑर्गन लेके तमरा आउ 7-8 टी वीडियो रे मु तमर कंप्लीट सेल स्ट्रक्चर, सेल यूनिट को फिनिश करिया पई चाहूची. तमे रेगुलर ए वीडियो को देखु थाओ, सब्सक्राइब करो, शेयर करो, जो संग साथी को शेयर करो. कोविड समय रे कोनसी जगह रे कोचिंग हेई पारुनी, तुम सांग साथी को तुम शेयर कर वीडियो को, किसी उपकृत हे पिला माने. देन जदि बारंबार देखिला पर तमे तमर प्रेस्क्राइब टेक्स्ट बुक को फॉलो करिवो, देखिबो, तापर जब किसी भी डाउट रहिला आमे सरला पर टोटल चैप्टर सरला पर गोटे डाउट क्लियरिंग क्लास हम करिबा देन यू विल क्लियर इट थैंक यू।